Yacht maintenance, keeping your sea gem shining. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, yacht maintenance. Whether you're a sea lover or just curious about different English terms, this video will help you understand what yacht maintenance entails. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the phrase into its two components, yacht and maintenance. Yacht. A yacht is a type of boat, usually a larger and more luxurious one. It's often used for pleasure, cruising, or racing. Yachts can vary in size and can be powered by wind, sailing yachts, or engines, motor yachts. Maintenance. Maintenance refers to the process of keeping something in good condition. It involves regular checkups, repairs, cleaning, and preservation. When combined, yacht maintenance refers to the tasks and activities involved in keeping a yacht in optimal condition. Maintaining a yacht is crucial for several reasons. 1. Safety. Regular maintenance ensures that all parts of the yacht are functioning correctly, reducing the risk of accidents at sea. 2. Longevity. Proper care can significantly extend the life of a yacht. 3. Value preservation. Yachts are expensive investments. Regular maintenance helps retain their value. 4. Enjoyment. A well-maintained yacht provides a more enjoyable and hassle-free experience for its users. Yacht maintenance can be broad, but here are some key areas. Cleaning. Regular cleaning prevents corrosion and maintains the yacht's appearance. Engine maintenance. This includes checking the oil, filters, and cooling systems to ensure the engine runs smoothly. Sail and rigging checks. For sailing yachts, inspecting the sails and rigging is essential for safe navigation. Electrical systems. Ensuring all electrical components are functioning correctly is crucial, especially for navigation and communication systems. Safety equipment. Regularly check life jackets, fire extinguishers, and other safety equipment. Professional maintenance. Hiring professionals is often recommended for complex tasks or for those without technical skills. DIY maintenance. Simple tasks like cleaning or basic engine checks can be done by the yacht owner. It's a cost-effective way to learn more about your vessel. We hope this video helps you understand the importance and aspects of yacht maintenance. Keeping a yacht in top condition ensures safety, enjoyment, and value preservation. Whether you're a yacht owner or just learning English, remember, taking care of your possessions, whether they're yachts or something else, is always important. Happy sailing and happy learning!